What's going on, guys? May peace and blessings of Allah be upon you. So in this tutorial we're going to see how we can have the keyboard shortcut key assign, new keyboard shortcut key assign, or we can actually modify the existing shortcut key. So let's begin. First of all, you need to go to view. In that thing you can see there is an option, use interface. So select this thing, and that thing you can see I'm having an option called keyboard shortcuts. So select this keyboard shortcuts, and you can see there is a dialog box which is opening here. And in that thing you can see I am having on the window where you can see there are different kind of shortcut keys available. If you're scrolling down, you can see there are many things. However, if you want to see what are the shortcut keys for different options, you can see it here. Otherwise, if you want to assign new shortcut keys, you can assign. I usually find very interesting thing in going to 3D. We doesn't have any shortcut key, like you need to just every time click on this home button in order to go in 3D. So we usually do that thing many times, so that's the reason I find it very difficult every time clicking on that part. Well, you can do one thing. If you want to go to 3D, you can click here, or how good it will be if you want to assign a keyboard shortcut key for that thing. So I already said you how to assign that thing. You need to go for view, user interface, and keyboard shortcuts, and that thing you can see I'm just typing here 3D, and you can see this 3D default. I have already assigned one shortcut key. I'm removing it. You'll be having key S is the keyboard shortcut key for opening this window. So I am going to again type here 3D, and you can see there isn't anything. So now I am pressing anything. It's my wish if you want to type anything, like I'm typing here 3 and then if I'm assigning it and then click on OK, it's gonna work. And how, let us see. I'm gonna go for level 1, typing 3 and you can see how I have assigned it. So this is how you can actually assign the keyboard shortcut. If you want to remove it later on, you can actually go for the same thing like this, and you can select it and you can actually remove that thing. So that's pretty much about today's tutorial. If you like this thing, please share it to your friends, and put the comment section also what exactly you want in another tutorials so that I can create accordingly. So thanks for watching. Peace and blessings of Allah be upon you.